Helo, croeso i uned 8 yn y cwrs sylfaen, ac yn yr uned yma, i ni'n edrych ar arddodiaid, prepositions. Felly, os trowch chi i dudalen 64, we get straight into them. Dych chi'n cofio, you've used these before, so dych chi'n cofio rhaid I fi fynd, I fi, rhaid I fi fynd, rhaid I ti fynd, rhaid iddo fe fynd, rhaid iddi hi fynd. Well, those are prepositions, and they can also be used with verbs, and dyna beth sydd yn yr uned yma. This is what is in this unit. So, at the bottom of the page, you see the word gofyn, gofyn, to ask, and we use the preposition I with gofyn. Felly, gofyn I, to ask somebody or something, yeah? So, if we look at dwi'n mynd I ofyn I Dafydd, I'm going to ask Dafydd. Literally, I suppose, I'm going to ask to Dafydd. So we just repeat those now. We've got the block there that you have gofyn I. So repeat, Ail adroddwch ar ôl fi. Dwi'n mynd I ofyn I Dafydd. Dwi'n mynd I ofyn iddo fe. Dwi'n mynd I ofyn iddi hi. Dwi'n mynd I ofyn iddyn nhw. And the same preposition is used with rhoi, to give. In that block at the bottom there you have rhaid I fi roi anrheg I Rhan. So we'll just run through these. I'll add a few as well as we go through them. Rhaid I fi roi anrheg I Rhan. Rhaid I fi roi anrheg iddi hi. Rhaid I fi roi anrheg I ti. Rhaid I fi roi anrheg i'r plant. Rhaid I fi roi anrheg iddyn nhw. Rhaid I fi roi anrheg I bawb. Addodiad nesaf, the next preposition we look at is ar. Mae hwn ar dudalen 65. Ar. And we've done this before when we talk about illnesses. Mae annwyd arna I. Mae annwyd arna ti, arno fe. But this can be used also with verbs. The first one there is edrych. Edrych. Edrych ar, to look at. Felly, the next block there, we just look at the next block. Adroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Edrychwch ar S4C bob nos. Edrychwch arno fe. Edrychwch arni hi. Edrychwch arnyn nhw. So they're using the command forms. Look at S4C, look at him, look at her. And we could also, in the past, we've used this with gwrando, to listen to, gwrando. So again, ail adroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. The translations are there, tudalen 65. Gwrandewch ar radio'r Cymru, bob dydd. Gwrandewch arna I. Gwrandewch arno ni. Gwrandewch arnyn nhw. And finally at the bottom there you have this word dwli. You love something, dwli. So we're going to just repeat after me again. Translations are there, felly ail adroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. O, dwi'n dwli ar rygbi. 'Dyn ni'n dwlu ar bêl drod. Mae e'n dwlu ar fwydau dalaidd. Mae hi'n dwlu ar bysgod a sglodion. Iawn, byddwn ni'n neud y gweddill yn rhan 2. We'll come back to this unit now in part 2. Okay? Pob hwyl am y tro.